Hi, I'm David Owen Hastings, and welcome back to my studio. I'm a graphic designer by training, but now I'm a modern quilter and teacher and speaker, and I've got two open enrollment workshops coming up in early 2025. These are through Mancuso Show Management and their QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse. This is their number 11 edition of the QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse, and I've got two open enrollment workshops that you can take from the comfort of your home. One is on March 27th, and it's a full day workshop called Seams Out Quilted Pillow. And we are going to learn how to put several different fabrics together to create a very beautiful textured surface. We're going to sew our fabric with the wrong sides together in order to keep the seam allowances on the front for extra texture. And then we'll create a pillow from that. And the second workshop that I'll be teaching is on March 28th, 2025. That's a half-day workshop called SCRAPTASTIC Quilted Cards, and I'll take you through the steps to turn a bag of ordinary fabric scraps into some little works of art. These are going to be little modern compositions made to go into either greeting cards, or you can make wall art from them. And I'll guide you through all the steps to creating these little great compositions and then doing some machine quilting on top of them. So please join me either March 27th or 28th online for QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse number 11. You can simply click one of the links that's below this video to get more information and sign up, or you can visit quiltfest.com, search for my name, David Owen Hastings, in the instructor list for this virtual event, and then sign up from there. I hope to sew with you in March of 2025.